We love to cook, but this over here is giving us a lot of trouble. It's always burning our food. Let's see if we can find the solution for it. Stay with us. This is rainy season in South Florida, and there is not much to do. So let's try to solve the issue with the oven. So like I said, this oven here is giving us a lot of trouble. But apparently, we are not the only ones with this issue. I was reading online, and it appears to be a very common problem with RV ovens. So in one of the articles, one person was saying that the solution for this problem is very easy. Just to buy a pizza stone. I got this online in Amazon, very cheap, $20. We'll see if it works. So here's a stone, and I'm gonna place it in the oven. Right in there. Perfect. Alright. Heat it up. And wait a little while. Alright, the oven is warming up, so let's start to prepare the pizza. I'm going to add a little butter into a pan. And then some mushrooms. I'm going to cook them just for a few minutes. We want to get them soft and brown. They look great to me. Now we need a pizza pan. To make sure the pizza doesn't stick to the pan, you can use one of these sprays. But I come from an Italian family, so olive oil, that's what it goes. Now the pizza dough. I got this one at the bakery, but sometimes I make my own. Alright, it looks ready to me. It is time to add the pizza sauce. Yes, a lot of sauce. Now it is ready for the oven. I like to keep an eye on it, just to avoid a tragedy. When it is about 70% cooked, it is time to add the cheese. I will apply a nice layer of mozzarella cheese. And I like to add some Parmesan cheese as well. Now, right back into the oven. When the cheese starts melting, it's time to add the mushrooms. You don't want them to be overcooked. You can always use a fork, but I told you I come from an Italian family. I always use my hands. Alright, back into the oven, just a few more minutes. Very good. It should be enough. Now some arugula on top, a little more of Parmesan cheese, and a hint of olive oil right on top. It looks great. So I'm going to put down the camera, grab a slice, and enjoy this amazing pizza. Well, apparently it works, but I made a mistake. I put it on max and it should be set up to medium. So we're ready to eat, so we're gonna have to call it a wrap. I hope you like this video and you give it a thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you soon.